I'm gonna tie a fly, and the longer I take, the harder it gets. We're gonna start with no bobbin. As soon as I try to get some materials on here, it's gonna get really hard. We're losing our tension. It's a lot harder than I thought. Stay. Alright, I think this is gonna be the hardest part. Thread tension. Hey, not terrible. This is stupid. It's hard to be precise. There we go. I think it'll fish. I think I cut the thread not being able to see it though, but